Hello, Java students. So we are going to head to the Google Doc that's got all of the information for you here. The first thing that you will see is that it tells you to go to this bit.ly link. So we're going to click on that bit.ly link. It will open up a Google Drive download. We are going to go ahead and click download on that option. It's going to tell you that this could harm your computer. I have checked this. This is the thing I'm asking you to download, so please hit keep there, and you will see that this is called core.jar that is downloaded. Mine says core 1 because I've already done this one time to test it before I started recording for you all. So then if we go back to what the directions say, we are then going to make a new IntelliJ project. So I'm going to go File, New Project. We need to make sure that we have JDK 1.8. This is especially important for those of you who are not programming on a school computer, especially Macs. Need to have JDK 1.8 here. So we'll say next, and I'm going to call this graphics template and hit enter. That exists for me already, so I'm going to call mine graphics template 2. You can call yours just graphics template, and then we should be good to go, and we'll open it in this window. Then what we want to do is we want to take our downloaded core.jar file that we found right here, and we are going to copy and paste it into our project. So I can click on either one of these because I have both. I'm going to right click and say copy. Then at the project level, so up at the top where it says graphics template, I'm going to right click and say paste if I can find it. There we go. And then I'm going to say OK. This might say refactor for you depending on what's there, but now you should see the core.jar file exists inside of your project. So now we're going to click on that core.jar file. We are going to right click on the core.jar file, and at the bottom we're going to click on this option that says add as library. Then we're going to say OK, and now you will notice that that core.jar file has a drop down arrow. That's how you know it's been added as a library and you are good to go with that file. Now, the next thing that we need to do is we are going to make a new Java class. I'm going to call my Java class main. You all need to call your Java class main in order to copy and paste the code that I gave to you. So now we're going to go back to that Google Doc. We are going to make a new Java class, must be called main, and then we are going to take this bit of code that is here. We are going to copy it, and then delete everything that's in IntelliJ and paste it into IntelliJ here. If I run this code right now, you will see a graphics pop-up window show up. It's got nothing in it, but the window exists, so I know that things are working and running the way that they're supposed to. Graphics window, yay! So I'm going to hit the X there and close that graphics window and finish that program. Now, I want to save all of what I've done right now, make this a template so that I don't have to repeat this process ever again. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go up to the top. I'm going to click on File. Then I'm going to go to New Projects Setup. Then inside of New Project Setup, I'm going to click on the one that says Save Project as Template. And I'm going to say that this is called Graphics Template. I'm going to delete the number 2 here, and I'm going to say OK. Now it says down at the bottom that a template has been created, so we are good to go. What this means is next time when you go to make a new graphics project, if I say New Project, I can go down to this bottom thing where it says user defined off to the left instead of clicking on Java. If I click on user defined, I have a graphics template right there. So I'm going to say next, and I'm going to say test graphics just to test out to make sure this works in a new window. And I should see a graphics template already show up. And if I drop down, it even has that core.jar already inserted. So there you go.